Oh, bro, wagwan. Yes. Rich family again. Now pay 400 for this. All I want is all 100. You understand? The chain brake not disengaging properly. So when you rev it, even though it disengaged there, when you rev it, you're seeing it, the clutch like it wants to start to smoke now, boy. When you get all rev. You understand? Otherwise than that. Otherwise than that, he working real good. 500 as is you today. This not going on Facebook. 500 as is you today, brother. You don't know.